Welcome to Andong,
home of UNESCO heritage Hahoe Village.
Deep in South Korea's countryside lies Hahoe, a living UNESCO treasure. 600 years of breathtaking history. Even Queen Elizabeth II couldn't resist its charm. We are Eivie and Matty. And together we are the Traveling Bears.
After exactly 1 hour of the train ride, we're now at the station and looking for a way to get to Andong Village.
That bus, 40 minutes of pure countryside magic, rolling hills, golden fields blurring past. Time flies by, but what's waiting at Hahoe? Worth every second. That's exactly what hit us stepping into Hahoe. But after all that beauty, we are starving. What's next? Time to feast like locals.
We have ordered our meal for today and everything is on the table. It's the Andong braised chicken, acorn jelly salad, it's a vegetarian dish, and the seafood pancake. And for sure, Korea, all the Banchan. And now we're gonna try everything.
We ordered way too much, typical for us. The food, solid, good flavor, nothing mind-blowing, but hey, it filled our stomachs and that's the most important.
Hey, are you curious how a Hanok house look like? Follow me. This is like the main house, our room. Skill number 1, bend your back. The bed, actually there are 2 beds, but we put them together for like double.
I think normally it was for 4 people here, right? Here's dining table.
Yeah, clean enough.
It's comfortable. And tomorrow we will be one of the only people in that village. Good morning!
And time for
Breakfast. Enjoy.
breakfast. Absolutely blessed. Simple, soul-filling, and check this, we dialed straight to the bus.
I like the breakfast. A bit cold in here, right?
5 degrees in the morning, brutal for this tropical soul. We finished our breakfast fast and
After our breakfast, we talked a bit with our host of tonight. We booked that Hanok room on Airbnb, and he told us he lives here since he was born, because the whole clan here is like a family clan who lives in the village since 600 years. Wow. And the building we slept in, the Hanok, is 200 years old, but really, really beautiful. So they take much care about everything here.
jackpot, the whole village, just us after breakfast. Then this wild mask staring back. What story do they hide? And this beast of a tree, older than time?
In the middle of the city is the 600 years old Zelkova tree. It's a Samsindang tree, which means shrine for the three gods.
Queen Elizabeth II visited this village in 1999 and admired the beauty of the Korea spring day.
Her statue honors that epic birthday bash. 47 dishes, rice cakes piled high like royal tribute. Her trip helped put Hahoe on the world map. Eivie is now playing Jenga with river stones. One wrong move and poof, Hahoe luck gone. But she nailed it. Superstition activated. Now the best, Eivie launches. Higher, faster. Ever felt village air slap your face like this? But now my turn. The audience is screaming and I try my best. And if you ever wanted to see how they harvest them, here you see.
You ever thought sometimes you see on the clothes tag 100% cotton? So this is where the cotton come from. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really interesting, like a cotton tree.
Like a field of cotton plant.
After an amazing walk next to the river and next to the fields, we packed our stuff and changed the location.
Our Hahoe time come to an end, and now a good recommendation for you: stay here at night, because then you can enjoy the quiet time. No tourists in the village. They're starting to come from 9:30 in the morning, so get up early, like 8 o'clock, and then you have the village for yourself. We are now in the city center of Andong. So we told our taxi driver to bring us to the city center from the KTX station, and here is like a street food market and the Andong market.
This market is paradise. Fresh fruits bursting, veggies crisp, fish straight from the river, chicken sizzling nearby. Absolutely.
Bustling market.
Yeah.
But the smell is really nice here.
Traditional food.
Yeah. But a lot of people, and you can buy clothes and food here.
If you like that video, please leave us a like and subscribe our channel. We will discover much more. And now we are already going to change our location to a next really cool spot. And if you're interested in the new video, it's next to the yellow cursor.
And as always, keep exploring.